All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but when you pull the disconnect plug, you're basically cutting the power to the entire system, and that can cause some serious issues if you don't know what's going on. Okay, so the disconnect plug is this safety thing that lets you shut off power to your air conditioner easily, especially when someone is doing repairs or maintenance. When you yank it out, the compressor and fan motor stop running immediately because they lose power. That means no cooling happening, obviously. If you forget to put it back in or it gets loose, your AC won't turn on at all, which can be super confusing if you don't realize the plug is the problem. Also, pulling the disconnect plug while the system is running can sometimes mess with the electrical components or cause a voltage spike, so it's better to turn off the breaker first if you're planning to do any work. If your AC unit doesn't start after plugging it back in, double-check the breaker and the plug itself for any corrosion or damage. It's good to clean the disconnect box occasionally to keep everything working smoothly because dirt and rust can stop good contact. And always remember, this plug is there for safety, so don't just pull it out randomly. Use it when you need to for maintenance or emergencies. One of the most common mistakes people make with AC parts and the disconnect plug is pulling it without turning off the breaker first, which can fry some electrical parts. Always kill power first. Another issue is not checking if the disconnect plug is fully seated after maintenance. If it's loose, your AC won't get power and won't run, so push it in firmly but gently. A third problem is ignoring signs of corrosion or dirt inside the disconnect box, which can cause poor electrical contact and intermittent cooling problems. Regular cleaning with a wire brush and safety gear fixes this easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to AC repairs and installations. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to get real work from people who need help with their home projects.